Welcome to Beautiful Home Design Ideas. Ah, spring, the season of renewal, fresh blooms, and a chance to breathe new life into our homes. And what better place to start than the mantel? As the focal point of your living space, the mantel is the perfect canvas to showcase seasonal charm. Whether you love an elegant, curated look or a relaxed, rustic feel, this video is packed with inspiration for creating a stunning mantel display that welcomes spring in style. Get ready for fresh florals, charming pastels, and design ideas that will transform your home into a springtime sanctuary. And be sure to stick around for all 5 beautiful ideas because number 4 is an absolute showstopper. Let's dive in and explore the most captivating mantel decor trends for spring 2025. Nothing says spring like flowers. For a lush and inviting mantel, consider layering fresh or faux florals in an elegant yet effortless arrangement. Try a mix of tulips, peonies, and daffodils for a soft, romantic look. Or, if you prefer a modern twist, go for bold, oversized floral arrangements in sculptural vases. To elevate the look, incorporate different heights, place some stems in tall glass vases, mix in delicate bud vases, and weave a floral garland along the mantel's edge. Don't forget to play with color. Pastel hues such as blush pink, butter yellow, and sky blue create a dreamy spring atmosphere, while vibrant tones like coral and emerald green can add a bold touch. For those who love a vintage, romantic aesthetic, a cottagecore-inspired mantel is perfect for spring. Think delicate lace doilies, antique picture frames, and soft candlelight. Add an assortment of ceramic pitchers or teacups filled with wildflowers for a cozy, collected over-time feel. Layered artwork is another signature cottagecore touch. Try leaning vintage botanical prints or pressed flower frames against the wall. Pair them with stacks of weathered books and a few dainty candles in brass or wooden holders. To finish the look, drape a light, airy garland made of ivy or eucalyptus across the mantel. This not only softens the design but adds a fresh, organic element. If you prefer clean lines and a sophisticated aesthetic, a modern minimalist mantel may be your style. The key here is simplicity. Choose a neutral color palette with soft pops of spring tones like muted sage, dusty rose, or pale lavender. A large statement mirror or an abstract art piece can anchor the space beautifully. Complement it with a few carefully selected accessories, such as sculptural vases in matte ceramic or marble. A few tapered candles and sleek holders can provide warmth without overwhelming the space. Add a single fresh bloom or a small, structured floral arrangement for a touch of nature. Less is more with this approach, so be mindful of keeping the mantel uncluttered and balanced. If you're loving these ideas so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know which mantel decor idea is your favorite. This trend is all about bringing the outdoors in. If you love an organic, nature-inspired aesthetic, then this is the mantel decor idea for you. Create a lush, overflowing look with greenery like eucalyptus, ferns, and ivy draping down the sides of the mantel. Mix in potted plants for added depth and a truly fresh spring vibe. A statement piece like a rustic wooden sign with a charming spring quote or an oversized botanical print can tie everything together. Add woven baskets or terracotta pots to bring warmth and texture to the display. For an extra magical touch, intertwine fairy lights within the greenery to create a soft, enchanting glow in the evening. Blue and white is a classic combination that never goes out of style, and it's perfect for spring mantel decor. Incorporate chinoiserie vases, blue glass candle holders, and crisp white ceramic pieces to achieve a fresh, timeless look. Arrange a few blue and white porcelain ginger jars and fill them with white hydrangeas or cherry blossom branches for a truly elegant statement. Layer in some coastal-inspired touches like woven baskets or driftwood accents to add a breezy, springtime feel. For a final touch, consider swapping out your mirror or artwork for a soft watercolor painting or an antique-style blue and white tile print. This creates a cohesive and effortlessly stylish mantel that transitions beautifully into summer. And there you have it, 5 stunning mantel decor ideas to refresh your home for spring 2025. Whether you love the charm of cottagecore, the elegance of blue and white, or the organic beauty of lush greenery, there's a look for every style. Now I want to hear from you. Which mantel design was your favorite? Are you more of a floral lover, or do you prefer the sleek modern aesthetic? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new home decor inspiration. I have so many exciting ideas coming your way this season. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy decorating!